Think you know your body? Think again. Today, we're diving into 10 shocking facts about the human body they never taught you in school. From electrical brains to hidden superpowers, these facts will change how you see yourself, literally. Stick around until the end for a fact that sounds like science fiction but is 100% real. Let's jump in. Fact number 1. You glow in the dark, but you can't see it. Did you know your body actually glows in the dark? That's right, humans emit a very weak light that's 1,000 times dimmer than our eyes can detect. This glow is caused by bioluminescence from chemical reactions in your cells, especially involving free radicals. Scientists in Japan captured this glow using super-sensitive cameras. Your face glows the brightest in the late afternoon, around 4 p.m., thanks to metabolic cycles. The glow isn't constant and fluctuates throughout the day, following your circadian rhythm. And guess what? This phenomenon is being researched as a possible non-invasive health indicator, detecting stress, infection, or even early stages of illness based on how your skin glows. Fact number 2. You're mostly microbes, not human cells. You're not just human, you're a walking ecosystem. Your body contains about 30 trillion human cells, but also around 39 trillion bacteria, viruses, and fungi. That means you're technically more microbe than human. Your gut microbiome alone has more genetic material than the human genome. It helps regulate everything from your immune system to your mood. In fact, scientists now refer to the gut as the second brain, because of how it communicates with the nervous system. Ever had a gut feeling? That's literally your body talking. Fact number 3. Your stomach gets a new lining every few days. Your stomach is filled with corrosive acid strong enough to dissolve metal, so how does it not eat through itself? Here's the trick: the lining of your stomach completely regenerates every 3 to 4 days. The stomach acid, hydrochloric acid, is so powerful, lab scientists use it to dissolve metals. Your body produces 2 to 3 liters of this acid daily. And when it fails to regenerate properly, ulcers form. This cycle of damage and healing is one of the most intense repair processes in the human body. Fact number 4. Your brain has more connections than stars in the galaxy. The Milky Way has about 100 to 400 billion stars, but your brain? It has over 100 trillion synaptic connections. Your brain processes 11 million bits of information every second, but you're only consciously aware of around 40. Plus, when you sleep, your brain isn't resting. It's more active, sorting and storing memories. That's why getting a good night's sleep is critical for learning. Fact number 5. Bones are stronger than concrete. You might not think of your bones as powerful, but they're crazy strong. Bone is a composite material made of collagen and calcium phosphate, giving it both strength and flexibility. Astronauts lose up to 1% of their bone mass per month in space due to lack of gravity. That's why they exercise daily, to fight the loss of this superstructure. Fact number 6. Your heart can beat outside your body. The heart has its own electrical system and can keep beating even when removed from the body, as long as it has oxygen. During transplants, hearts are placed in preservation machines that keep them beating for hours. This ability comes from specialized cardiac muscle cells called pacemaker cells, which generate impulses independently. Fact number 7. Your nose can detect over 1 trillion smells. New studies show the human nose can detect over 1 trillion distinct scents. Your smell is tied directly to the limbic system, the part of the brain responsible for emotions and memory. That's why scent is so nostalgic. And some animals rely on the same olfactory system for tracking mates, food, or danger, making your nose one of the most primal tools you have. Fact number 8. You shed 30,000 to 40,000 skin cells every minute. Every minute, you lose about 30,000 to 40,000 dead skin cells. Over the course of a year, that adds up to about 9 pounds of skin. Your skin renews itself every 27 days. It's your body's first defense against infections, chemicals, and UV light. Some skincare routines tap into this regeneration cycle for anti-aging treatments, literally training your skin to rebuild stronger. Fact number 9. Your eyes can see over 10 million colors. The human eye can distinguish between 10 million shades of color, thanks to specialized cone cells in our retinas. Color perception isn't universal. Some cultures don't even have words for certain colors. And lighting can drastically change how you see color. Ever heard of the dress? Was it white and gold, or blue and black? That's your brain interpreting reality differently from someone else's. Fact number 10. You can survive without a big chunk of your brain. It's called hemispherectomy, a rare procedure where one half of the brain is removed. The younger the patient, the better the brain adapts. Some children who undergo this surgery before age 10 can develop almost normal motor skills, speech, and cognition. The human brain's ability to rewire is so advanced, it's inspiring new treatments for stroke and brain injury recovery. Bonus fact: you're taller in the morning than at night. You wake up about half an inch taller than you were at bedtime. Why? During the day, gravity compresses your spine, squeezing the cartilage between your vertebrae. At night, as you sleep lying down, your spine decompresses and regains its full length. So yes, your height fluctuates daily, proof that even your shape isn't constant. The human body is more than flesh and bone, it's a living universe, packed with secrets and wonders. Which of these blew your mind the most? Drop it in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more jaw-dropping science from FactPulse. Until next time, stay curious, stay amazed.